Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Shanza Jabeen, and welcome to the White Coat Guide. Today, I'm taking you right inside the operating room for one of the most incredible and honestly intimidating procedures out there, brain surgery. But don't worry, I'll break it down in a way that's simple, clear, and way less scary than you think. So why would anyone need brain surgery? Well, your brain is the command center of your body, and sometimes things go wrong, like tumors, bleeding, blood clots, aneurysms, or even severe epilepsy. When medicine can't fix it, surgery becomes the lifeline. The aim? Remove the problem while protecting every important function the brain controls, like speaking, moving, and even your memories. Before the surgery, there's a ton of planning. Doctors use super detailed scans, think MRI and CT, almost like a GPS for the brain. This helps the surgical team map out the safest possible route. The patient gets anesthesia, so they're totally asleep and pain-free the whole time. Now, let's walk through the actual surgery. Step 1. The surgeon makes a careful opening in the skull, a craniotomy. Don't worry, it's done with incredible precision. Next, they use special tools and even a microscope to see the brain up close, like zooming in with a high-def camera. Then the surgeon delicately removes the tumor, fixes a blood vessel, or addresses whatever is causing the trouble, millimeter by millimeter. When the job's done, the skull bone goes back in place and the scalp is stitched up. The tools? We're talking about high-tech stuff. Microscopes, navigation systems, and sometimes even lasers. And get this, for some surgeries, the patient is actually awake, so doctors can check speech and movement on the spot. Sounds wild, right? But it's all about protecting what makes you, you. Afterwards, recovery starts in the hospital. It can be just a few days or several weeks. It really depends on the surgery. Most patients need physical therapy, speech therapy, or special follow-up scans. But with the right support, many go back to their regular lives. Brain surgery is a huge deal, but it's also proof of just how far medicine has come and how brave people can be. Thanks to skilled neurosurgeons and modern tech, thousands of lives are saved every year. So that's a peek inside brain surgery. If you found this fascinating, make sure to subscribe for more medical stories made easy. Stay healthy, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next episode.